Hi Matt, nice to see you again.
Good to see you.
I know you said that from your goals that you want to increase your race pace within your 10k times. So we're going to do a method called continuous, which will allow you to do that, to enable you to withstand longer pace, more aerobic breathing, and withstand lactic acid in the muscles. You could do this also with a piece of kit if you really wanted to. You can do it on a treadmill, you can do it on a rower. We're going to do it on the cross trainer just for today. So just a quick run through before we start. This is a machine, so you need to start it to get the console to come up. So low foot onto the pedal, other foot onto a higher pedal, and once you start moving the machine with your arms and your feet, the machine will come up on the console. Okay. Fantastic, once the machine's up. So what we need to do is press quick start for me. And once it comes up, you can start to rotate. Now, just for the sake of a continuous pace main aerobic, I want you to keep your hands on the centre part of the console, not on the outside. If it goes to the outside, it will take to slow your cadence rate down as to how fast that you can pedal. I want you to build yourself up over the next couple of minutes, I know we're warmed up already, just to get to an RPE level of around about 7 to 7.5. So it's breathless conversation, right?
Okay.
But you can still hold a conversation in place. And just remember the postural points. Abs engaged, back nice and straight. Shoulders back and relaxed, head facing forward. And try to keep your heel on the pedal as much as you can. Looking great. So you can adjust the resistance actually from the big centre handles themselves. So you can go up or down in resistance. Fantastic. Let's keep that pace there. On a scale of 1 to 10, Matt, whereabouts would you say you are at this point in time?
5 or a 6, I think.
5 or 6. Just hold it there for the moment. We can increase it if we need to as the continuous approach goes on. But for the moment, we'll just hold it where it is. And keep your breathing just nice and even. Shoulders nice and relaxed. Again, just keep those feet flat on the pedal. Fantastic, you're doing really, really well. If you're still feeling like you are at a pace of around about 6, you can take your speed up a little bit, as opposed to increasing the resistance too much. If we increase the resistance too much, it might make the legs just a bit too much lactic acid in there and might burn you out a little bit too quick. We want the aerobic system to be working rather than the lactic acid system to be working.
Yeah, this feels about 7 now.
Okay, hold it there, fantastic. And this method will just continue on at this pace with me constantly monitoring you for around about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay.